milk is white or the milk is white. Which one is correct among these two sentences? Here, milk is white is correct because milk here is material noun and 90% of the material noun don't take article with them. Only 10% of the material noun take article. That also which article? The article the is used when it refers to particular. So we can't say the milk is white. Milk is white because it's a general statement. All around the world, milk is white in color. Example number 2. Milk is hot or the milk is hot. When we want to tell that particular milk, so we can say the milk is hot which I am going to drink. Okay, so for such type of information, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.